has asked Pakistan to crack down on elements based there who were using social media networking sites to fan communal sentiments and create a scare among people from northeast in this country. Union Home Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde, in a telephonic conversation yesterday with his Pakistani counterpart Rehman Malik, took up the issue of social media networking sites being misused by elements in Pakistan to circulate false pictures and reports in a bid to create communal strife in India.
Over 125 internet platforms have been blocked by government agencies. This after the Home Ministry ordered 254 such platforms, including websites and blogs, to be blocked. Out of the total inflammatory material uploaded, according to sources, it seems that 38% was uploaded from Pakistan.
Government sources concede Twitter is not responding. Its accounts cannot be blocked. Google and Facebook also not cooperating, citing international laws. Google and Facebook are also not divulging the source of these messages. Government sources insist that the morphed photographs originated from Pakistan.
A number of sites we have blocked, and we also identified a number of sites which were uploaded from Pakistan. So we had said, my minister had said, he told Mr. Rehman Malik that he'll share it with them. So we'll share it with them.
Sources tell Headlines Today that preliminary evidence is to be handed over to the Pakistan High Commissioner Salman Bashir, and a follow-up will be done by S.M. Krishna when he visits Pakistan in September. But Pakistan remains defiant.
असम के सिलसिले में कुछ उनके पास कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन है कि कुछ शायद जो SMS चले हैं वो पाकिस्तान से चले हैं, तो मैंने कहा कि जहां तक ऑफिशियल लेवल पे हमें कोई ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है। अगर इंडिया के पास कोई भी इन्फॉर्मेशन है जिसमें उनको ये पता लगे कि ये ऐसे मैसेजेस जो हैं कि असम की जो मैस माइग्रेशन टू द कैंप्स है, तो डेफिनेटली हम उसको इन्वेस्टिगेट भी करेंगे और इंशाल्लाह उनको पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन देंगे। देयरफॉर आई have requested him to send something official to me.
Sources have told Headlines Today that India will be giving Pakistan details of the insightful videos as well as the list of Pakistani websites and usernames that were used to post them. India is counting on the specific fingerprints provided by the internet IP addresses to track down the computers within Pakistani cities from which these videos were uploaded. The IP addresses, like a telephone number, provides a unique ID that can be traced to specific computers.
The DG CERT has told us that on the 18th, 76 URLs have been blocked. On 19th, 80 URLs have been blocked, and on 20th, 89 URLs have been blocked. So overall, till date, around 245 URLs have been blocked. The Department of Information and Technology has invoked Section 69A of the Information Technology Act, which gives the powers to the central government to block all inflammatory content on the internet, those contents that may be a hindrance to national security. So all this has been done so far, but also, what we are getting to know from our sources at the Ministry of Home Affairs is that Ministry of Home Affairs has specifically identified certain inflammatory content on the internet and has requested through the Ministry of Information and Technology to ask the social networking sites like Google, Facebook and Twitter to immediately step up action and to immediately stop and block specific inflammatory contents.